Hey guys. All right, we're on to more being PuppyCat. We're on episode 8. Weird episodes. Last one was Toast. Like she just appeared, they wrestled, and then like another dog like interfered and attacked Bee's hair, and then so did the crow or the raven or whatever. And then like the the dog ate the crow, but then they became friends, and then it was like over. Like it was such a weird episode. Uh, but they were off to pay the rent. It was such so much happened. Oh well, it was still really good though. So it was also really funny. But yeah, so we're on to the next one, episode 8. I have no idea what's gonna happen. All right, guys, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It does help me out. I do have a Patreon below. It's in the description below. It's three bucks a month, and it gives you about 2 week early access to my reactions. All right, let's get started. All right. Dogs. Yeah, I'm gonna like this episode. Oh wow, a dog! Probably by the owner.
You're so clumsy, Sticky.
Oh, his name's Stinky. No.
Achoo!
The landlord. Why'd you call him Stinky?
Come on, Sticky.
Aw.
This seems to be a popular show.
Today we're making
yeah.
origami. First, line up your paper and fold it in half. Now carefully make sure the edges line up. Now we'll make the final fold.
Really? Just
And
dropping it on the
it's mashed
floor?
potato
What? Is that just candy?
origami.
What are you doing with that? Whoa. That's his mom? Oh, beautiful. Jeez. Aw. This is crazy. I did not expect this. What the heck? Aw, poor guy. Oh, this is sad. I did not expect this to happen. He just puts candy around her. Aw. Once there was a lost princess.
She was away from home and lost in the night.
Wow.
Her place was far too far away to find.
Oh, she has long hair.
He was alone and happy to see someone new.
Huh. Aw, the hair thought it was. Octopus thought it was another
It's
octopus.
nice to spend the night with you. Nobody told me.
Aw.
It would be lonely. Maybe we're going where we're supposed
Wow.
to be.
Aw.
He said, "Come
Oh,
with
wow.
me, I'll take
A big
you
octopus.
back,
Jeez.
even though it'll surely make me sad."
Oh, the castle.
She said, "Maybe we'll be together soon.
Aw.
Remember me and take all this
Oh, wow.
with you. Nobody
Aw.
told me
Damn, he just ripped it off
it would be
of herself.
lonely. Where are we
Aw.
going?
Oh, cool.
Feels
Nice.
like I'm floating.
Please don't come undone. No, it's coming undone.
He wasn't scared, he was terrified.
Aw. So
He was
sad.
alone, he was sure he was
Damn.
gonna die alone. He felt a tear, and
Oh, he tied himself.
He let go, and it felt
No.
kinda like he was going home.
Aw. Oh, okay. That was good. Sad though. Sad but good. Oh. Wow. That's a cute story.
We are here to pay rent!
An envelope and everything.
Rage.
And it's not in coins. Check.
Cardamom, you
Puppy
sick?
cat. It's so angry.
Deckard could make you a soup.
Yeah, or tea?
Iced tea. No, wait, that's stupid.
No, thank you.
Or I could get you a blanket.
No, thanks.
Or some echinacea.
Echinacea.
Oh,
vitamin C?
he's mad, the dog.
Or milk.
A neti pot. How about a scarf?
A mitten.
Oh, he's wondering what,
Two mittens?
what they would create
And
together.
are your pet?
I don't have a puppy cat? Sure.
The hell you say?
Let me just... I'll be right back.
Here's my
Oh,
rent.
puppy cat. That
I
was
don't
great.
know who you are.
Come on, puppy
Wait, what did he say to
cat,
him about the
just
rent?
hang out with him for a while. It's...
Who you are.
Oh, I don't know who you are.
Come on, puppy cat, just hang out with him for a while. It's all he wants. But
No.
just look at him. He's sick.
I'm in room 101. Usually, one of my brothers gives you the money.
And his mom's not around.
Chew.
So cold, puppy cat. So cold. Like
So
a
cold.
monster. In winter.
In winter.
It's time for Pretty Patrick Lunchtime Hour.
Ready, Patrick?
Hey, it's you. It's always so nice running into you.
Oh, the TV's on. Oh, he's burying all
Me,
the...
I've got
They were
some
trying to
fried rice
help
today,
the one.
using up some of the leftovers.
He's just floating in.
See you later.
Oh, hey, I've got an extra napkin. Do you want it?
Stay here.
Oh, he's
Kiss
so
each other.
angry.
Go on a date.
He's happy. You filthy creature. Screaming.
Good thing I had that napkin. You've got something on your face.
It's your wedding day.
Wow.
Now you're getting married.
Wow, that's funny. I mean, no, there's no way they're gonna go through with it, but that's so. Is it just a trailer or something? Okay. The dog was so good. Why did he have to be? Why did she have to be named Stinky? How sad. That's an interesting octopus story too. Especially after you just saw the mom, you know. Poor landlord. The fact that his mom is sick, I guess, and you know, and he just brings her candy all the time, and he lays by her, and he's sick on top of it. Damn, that's crazy. That's sad. I'm so sad. That kind of this episode kind of made me sad. Damn, man, I'm really curious though. What's happening with the mom? Like, and I feel like this series is so short. I don't think it's going to answer all the questions. So sad. All right, guys, that's it for this one. See you guys next time. Bye.